Would you like to boost your search engine rank and get more organic traffic for free? Welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney and I'm here to help you to get more traffic so you can profit from your passions. So today I'm going to give you 3 ways to instantly boost your search engine rank in Google. I'll show you how to do it step by step. So copy me, follow along and get results today. So for this to work, we really need to optimize Google RankBrain. Now, what is Google RankBrain? Well, it's the 3rd most important ranking signal. Now, that's right up there with backlinks and content, which are, of course, the other 2 most important signals. Now, RankBrain is part of the Hummingbird algorithm, so that means it's actually part of the core search algorithm. This is an essential part of SEO, so we have to pay attention to it. We have to understand how it works, and we have to optimize our content to reflect that. So RankBrain is artificial intelligence. There's a lot of machine learning going on with Google behind the scenes. So RankBrain will figure out the exact context of what you're searching for. So for example, let's say you're searching for Jaguar. RankBrain is going to figure out if you're talking about the car or the animal. Now it uses SLI keywords to understand the context of the search. LSI stands for latent semantic indexing, and that helps Google to figure out if a piece of content is about, let's say, Jaguar, the animal, or the car. So think of it like additional relevant keywords inside the piece of content. So if your piece of content is about, let's say, marketing, then additional words like branding and advertising will help Google to figure out that your piece of content is in fact about marketing. So it should display it to people searching for that key phrase. So I'm going to walk you through how to actually implement this stuff on your own pages so you do increase through the SERPs. So to do this, we use a technique called WAG, W-A-G, and that stands for Write, Ask, Google. So what we do is we optimize your content just as we normally would around a long tail keyword. But now we start to include additional related keywords. Then we ask Google to see your page as highly relevant. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's go ahead, let's do it step by step. Follow along with me, copy me, get results. Let's head over to the computer. So the first thing that you really want to do is open up a new window, but make sure it's an incog browser. We want to go incognito mode, and that is because we want to make sure that the results we get back from Google are accurate. So if we use our logged in Google account or just a normal web browser, Google will bring back data and results that it thinks we want based on our previous search history and our location and that kind of thing. So we want to make sure that we can reduce the amount of personalized search as much as possible. So use an incog browser for that, and then let's search for your main key phrase. So because I'm talking about SEO, let's use SEO. So that's my main key phrase. Let's see what we can get from that. Now it's going to bring back a whole heap of suggestions here. Let's scroll down to searches related to SEO. Let's have a look at this down here. These words down here, the related search suggestions here, well, these are very, very powerful words to use in your copy because these are the words that Google associates with your main keywords. So what we've got to do is if we drag in a window here, so let me just grab all of these, copy, paste them into a document. So here we've got additional words that we can add to our articles and our blog posts. So you might want to say something, start your SEO articles what is SEO and how it works. You might want to put that inside a H2 tag so Google knows it's important. You don't have to do that, of course, but it's just an additional suggestion. And no matter what you choose to do, be it put these in headings, absolutely, if you can, if it's appropriate, then add these to your blog posts. That's the first way, step one, of adding an additional layer of LSI to your articles. So let me show you the second way. This is really easy because we're already on the page. So notice that some words on the front page of Google for your main key phrase are going to be in bold. So what I want you to do is go through the front page and find words that are in bold. So here we've got search engine optimization there. So we grab that. We want to add this to our document, and we would go through this page and find all the words in bold. Now here in this instant, it's slightly different than before because let me just narrow this down a little bit. So let's say on-site SEO and see what that brings back. So hopefully we're going to get some additional words in bold. So on page SEO. So we grab that, paste that in. Off page SEO. These are all great LSI keywords. So I would just go through the front page, grab all these words in bold, take a record of them, and then that is the second way to uncover SLI keywords. And now the third way, the final way of uncovering more LSI keywords to use is a little bit more advanced, but let me walk you through the process. So we grab the URL from the address bar of the SERP page. So the front page of Google, let's say we're going for SEO. We want to grab the URL of the actual Google results page, and then we want to paste that into a keyword density checker or finder. There's loads here on the front page of Google to choose. I'm just going to use this one because it doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do is just paste in the URL of the Google search like that. Hit submit. And now it's going to bring back a whole heap of additional words that can be found on the front page of Google relating to the keyword SEO. So if I were you, I would go through this list. So here you can see the word search is fairly frequent. So we want to make sure, obviously we want to make sure that our article, our blog post has got the word search in it, maybe privacy. We want to go through this and find more words that have got a fairly high frequency, a fairly high keyword density. So that's the third way of uncovering LSI keywords that you can put into your document. And then you just make a list of words that appear on here. Obviously, don't include stop words and words like more or your, stay. These kind of words are not relevant, but detected might be a good one to use for SEO. Chrome is another one. So apply a little bit of common sense to this and just list words here that might be relevant to your niche. So these are the words that Google might be expecting to find in an article about SEO. Okay, and if you want more traffic for free, head over to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Get a free training course I've made for you. None of the methods will cost you a single penny. Everything I give you is free. And give this a thumbs up if you found it useful. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. And take care, because I will see you again tomorrow.